In the rapidly evolving digital age, opportunities for online businesses are more abundant than ever. Whether you're seeking to escape the traditional 9-to-5 grind or looking to supplement your income, 2024 offers a plethora of innovative business ideas. Here, we delve into the top 7 online business ideas for 2024 that promise to turn your skills and passions into profitable ventures. Print on demand. Print on demand, or POD, is a fantastic option for those with a flair for design and a love for fashion. This business model allows you to create custom designs for various products such as t-shirts, mugs, and phone cases, without the hassle of inventory management. Companies like Printful, Teespring, Redbubble, and Zazzle handle the printing, packing, and shipping, enabling you to focus solely on your creativity. With seamless integration with major e-commerce platforms like Shopify, Etsy, and WooCommerce, starting a pod business is easier than ever. Digital products. The digital products market is booming, and for good reason. Creating and selling digital products such as ebooks, online courses, and printable planners requires minimal investment but can yield significant returns. Platforms like Etsy, Udemy, Amazon Kindle, Direct Publishing, and Shopify provide excellent avenues for selling digital products. Once created, these products can be sold repeatedly, creating a sustainable source of passive income. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a powerful way to monetize your online presence by promoting other people's products and earning commissions on sales made through your unique links. This model works particularly well for bloggers, YouTubers, and social media influencers. Top affiliate programs such as Amazon Associates, ShareASale, CJ Affiliate, and Rakuten Marketing offer a wide range of products to promote. By aligning with products that resonate with your audience, you can create a steady stream of passive income. Online coaching. If you possess expertise in a particular field, online coaching presents a lucrative opportunity. Whether your forte is fitness, business, or life coaching, there is a growing demand for personalized guidance and mentorship. Platforms like Zoom, Teachable, Kajabi, and Coach Accountable provide the tools needed to conduct one-on-one sessions, group classes, and webinars. Online coaching allows you to make a meaningful impact while growing a scalable business. Dropshipping. Dropshipping is an ideal business model for aspiring e-commerce entrepreneurs who want to avoid the complexities of inventory management. In dropshipping, you sell products directly from suppliers who handle the shipping to your customers. This low-risk model is perfect for testing the e-commerce waters. Platforms like Shopify paired with Oberlo, AliExpress, Spocket, and Salehoo offer robust solutions for finding products and managing your dropshipping business. Social media management. With the increasing importance of a strong online presence, businesses are in dire need of social media managers. If you are adept at navigating platforms like Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook, you can offer your services to help businesses grow their social media following. Tools like Hootsuite, Buffer, Canva, and Sprout Social can aid in scheduling posts, creating engaging content, and analyzing performance. Social media management is a dynamic and creative field that transforms your social media skills into a profitable business. Freelancing. Freelancing offers unparalleled flexibility and the opportunity to turn your professional skills into a thriving business. Whether you are a writer, designer, developer, or marketer, platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, Freelancer, and TopTalk connect you with clients from around the world. Freelancing allows you to work on projects you love, set your own rates, and enjoy the freedom of being your own boss. In conclusion, 2024 presents a myriad of exciting online business opportunities. From print on demand and digital products to subscription boxes, affiliate marketing, online coaching, dropshipping, social media management, and freelancing, there's a business model to suit every passion and skill set. Embrace these opportunities, turn your dreams into reality, and embark on a journey towards financial independence and entrepreneurial success. Before you go, don't forget to hit that like button, share this video with your friends, and subscribe for more valuable insights on online business opportunities. Your support means the world to us. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, keep hustling.